Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to talk about Unreal Engine 5.4 for a second. In this latest release, they came up with something that's called automatic animation retargeting for bipedal characters. And a lot of times you'll hear people refer to it as one click, but if you're looking for it in the official Unreal documentation, it's known as automatic animation retargeting. So what Unreal has done is they've already taken popular rigs into the engine and synced them up so that it is literally just one click. But it's not known as one click, it's technically known as automatic animation retargeting. So that's how I'm going to refer to it. I'm not going to call it one click. I'm going to call it automatic animation retargeting. I guess you could call it AAR, for short. So that makes sense to me. I already have downloaded a Mixamo character. I've done several tutorials about that, and I'll put a link in the description to the most recent one. And so it's fairly straightforward, the process. So here is the Mixamo character here. And if I hit play, you'll see he's doing a dance, right? That's my player character in the scene there, by the way. I'm going to send him out of the way. It's super cool, right? The great thing about these Mixamo animations is that they're very good, and there's I believe over 2,500 animations. So it's very possible to tell a story or do all different kinds of things with these existing Mixamo animations. And not only that, several of them already come with completely customized in costumes and things. So you have everything you need really to tell stories already. You just have to know how to work with these assets. But it may turn out that you want to work with metahumans, and you may also want to work with mannequins in Unreal Engine. So the question is, how hard would it be to retarget this animation to a UE5 mannequin? How hard would that be? And the answer is, it's not hard at all. It's ridiculously simple now. So I'm going to hit escape right now. And what I'm going to do is this is a third person template right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into characters, mannequins, meshes, and I'm just going to drag this SKM Manny onto the scene. And that's a skeletal mesh, so it has a skeleton inside of it. And he's good to go. And then I'm going to come back here to my content level. I'm going to click on my animation sequence, which is this right here. And all I have to do is right click and go to retarget animations. And it's going to bring up the retarget animations, the retargeter, I guess we'll call it. And it just needs to know my source skeletal mesh is Mixamo. The target mesh is going to be SKM Manny. And then all I have to do is double click here on the animation, and just like that, literally in one click, it's been retargeted. And so if I want to export the animation here, all I have to do is click here on export animations. If I click on this content folder, it's highlighted already. If I right click it, I can create a new folder, and I can just call this Mixamo animations, like that. And then all I have to do is go export. Export. And just like that, the animation has been transferred. I'm going to delete this from the scene actually, and then just drag my Manny character on there. And if I hit F11 and go Alt P, look at that. Is that not crazy? How easy that was to do? So anyway, the world is changing. It's actually going to be easier to start spending more time being creative and coming up with stuff versus getting into the technical end, because this was so simple to do, it's not even funny. So anyway, I thought I would just show you that it's called automatic animation retargeting for bipedal characters. I'll talk to you next time.